So today, I have games for us to play. And it is going to be a Fact Fluency Olympics Day. So what that means is that we have 3 rounds of games to play. But before we start those games, I have expectations. If we're going to play these games, we need to be kind to one another. It's very individual based until the very last round. So if you happen to lose a round, that's okay. If you happen to win a round, it is great to give yourself a high five, pound the back, high fives from other people. If you lose, I don't want you to be pouty about it. You will have 3 chances to win. You may win all 3, you may lose all 3, okay? And it's fine. It is totally okay. This is just so we can practice our fact fluency skills. Does that sound good to everybody?
Yes. Yes.
There won't be any prizes, but you can earn your points, your individual points, and a group point. So if I see that my expectations are met today, you can earn another class letter. Are you ready for our first game?
Yes.
Okay, this first game is just a warm-up game, and it's called Rock, Paper, Scissors, Math. What you're going to do is you can only use your hands, numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, you can't use 0. The reason being is because if I put out the number 0, I automatically know the answer. The goal of this game is that both of you are going to be putting out a number, and whoever can multiply it first and say it verbally first can go to the winning side. So what this game is going to look like is everybody is going to be competing against one another. There's going to be a winning side. Okay, everybody point over there. What side is that? And that is a losing side. What this looks like is you are going to be constantly going back and forth between these 2 sides. I have my partner next to me, okay? Say we're both on the winning side. Say we've both already done a game against someone else and we're on the winning side. I'm going to put out my rock, paper, scissors, 2. Say she puts out a 3. 6. Whichever one of us says 6 first stays on the winning side. If I didn't say 6 first, I'm over to the losing side. This game is going to last 4 minutes. You want to end up on the winning side, but if you end up on the losing side, that doesn't mean that you weren't ever over there. If you get it right. If you lose that round against your partner, then you go to the losing side, and you keep playing against each other and keep switching sides. At the same time, then go again. It's just like if you both put rock in a regular game of rock, paper, scissors. Go again. Yes.
Is it going to be times or just numbers?
Multiplication. I need you to stand up.
What is
Turn to a partner. And you may begin. Next game is Fact Fluency Bingo. Raise your hand if you haven't played bingo before. I got 2 people. Okay, I'll explain it briefly. How this is going to work is you are going to get a bingo card. It looks like this. I am speaking. Do I have all ears?
Yes.
Okay. You're going to get a bingo card going down, vertically, or diagonal, any direction. You have a free space in the middle. So you can, when I hand you your counters, you can go ahead and mark your free space. Bingo is a very quiet game. So having just gotten a warning for how loud we've been, I expect everybody's voices to be off. Do you understand? Okay. I'm going to pass out your counters. 2 times 9. When you have your answer, mark it with one of the counters I gave you. You will have the answer on your paper. 2 times 9. 10 times 3. I hear some voices. 10 times 3. 2 times 7. Feud?
Nope.
Maybe at least heard of it?
No.
No? That's okay. I'm going to explain how this is going to work. It's similar to Family Feud, not exactly. But you are going to be in 2 teams, and I'm going to split you up in a second. But one person from each side will come up at a time. You are going to start with your hands on here, so that everybody has an equal shot. I'm going to flip 2 cards over, and it is up to these 2 people to say the multiplication answer to this. It is 6. The way that this works, I have a key up here in case you forget. The Jack card, there are a few of those in the deck, equals 0. If I flip over a 5 card and a Jack card, what's the answer?
0.
0. Are you going to shout out the answer?
No.
What are you going to do? Raise your hands.
Oh.
If I hear you shout out the answer, you don't get the point. If I flip over these 2 cards, I'm going to lay them flat. You and your partner are going to be here. Raise your hand high. Whoever raises it first, I'll call on you to answer it first. If you get it right, you can get the point. If you get it wrong, the other person gets to try and answer. Do I have any questions about how this game works? Yes, Ion.
What if they both get it wrong? Do we just keep on going until like they get one right?
Yes. Team 2 is going to be on this side in a line. Right? Now, I haven't called Team 2 yet. Who's on Team 2?
Nobody.
Team 1 is going to line up on this side. The line is going to curve around this way. And same on this side. When I call your name, I need you to line up on either side that I put you on. For example, I'm going to say, Miss Ellie. I'm going to point to whichever side I want you on. If I call your name first, I need you right here. The line is going to build. If I call your name last, you're the last person to go for your team. What's your question? Everybody will get to go. Positive.
What if the queen and king is
There are no queens and kings in this deck.
Okay.
I'm going to track points on this board. And whoever wins the game with the most points will get an individual point for each person on that team. And if you do this well, remember, you can earn one of these. Who fought? Maria.
Who thought she said to go there?
But don't start yet. I'm still building teams. Ayana. Natalia.
Rose.
Eva. Liam. And Noah. And Zachary. At the beginning of class, I asked that everybody do well in the games we're playing today. So my expectations will not be met. It is okay to cheer for your team. Do not be too loud. If the thought gets the answer right, you can snap. Or give him a high five when he goes to the back of the line. Those are the only 2 things you can do. Same with Maria. Natalia, you're our last person in line, okay? You're going to go last. You got this. Okay. Stefan and Maria, are we ready? I'm pulling the cards for you. Remember, whoever raises their hand first. And then I'll call on you. Ready?
35. Don't call out.
You both said the answer out loud without me calling on you. Let's try again. So what are you going to do when I flip the cards over if you know the answer? Are you going to call it out? Ready? What's the answer? 0. We got 1 point for this team.
You did good.
Yes. 28.
Yes! I'll give you a high five.
Ready?
12.
12.
No.
90.
Got this.
14. Good job.
Even